Hey, Mike Foster here. We're at Pizzeria Bianco in LA, and we're gonna eat the street. Check it out. All right. This is a radish salad. Okay, so we'll try this one. All right, let's try this. Try a radish with it. Really good. We're at Pizzeria Bianco, supposed to be one of the best pizza places in LA. This is a nice Italian white. It is very nice, not too sweet, not too dry. We're waiting for the pizza, it's not here yet. All right, there it is. It's called the Sunny Boy. It's got Italian salami, and it's hot, so we can wait. It's got some olives, and of course it's got tomatoes, and it's got a gorgeous crust. Ooh. Let's take a bite of it. There's your cheese. All right, we're gonna take a bite. No wonder you have to flip it like this. Okay. All right, Mike eats the street. That's hot. That's delicious. There's the undercarriage. Let's just try it with some tomato here. Thin, delicious crust. This is good. This is worth the hype. If you're in LA, check this place out. And check out Live Life 365. Till next time, peace.
Live life 365.
This is the owner. Name?
My name is Chris Bianco. It's the best I could do. Blame my parents.
No, and that's the best pizza I've had in a long time. Thanks, Chris.
Thank you, buddy.
All right, thank you. There.
So why do you like this?
Of course, I like thin pizza. And now we'll let my wife eat. Baba.
You're a little dark, I think, but it's okay.
All right, thanks, man. That's good. All right, baby.